Here's Flagstar mobile app. So how to install it on iPhone. So just tap get and you can just do double click to install it on your mobile. And yeah, then you should be able to open it up. It has 17,000 ratings. Designed for the banking on the go, Flagstar Mobile was created so you can bank anytime, anywhere. This free app features exciting tools like data, a fast, safe, and easy way to send money in minutes, and debit card controls, which puts you in control of where, when, and how your debit card is used. View checking and savings account balances, activity check images, transfer money to Flagstar or external accounts, set debit card controls. So all of these things, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and then yes, this is like a Flagstar bank app. If you know, if you have, if you're using a bank, it's always good to have mobile banking solution just to manage the bank on your fingertips. So yeah, that's basically an idea. And then yeah, you can always set up instant balance here, quickly and securely see your account balances without logging in. So, but of course you need to create all your accounts first in the Flagstar Bank app itself, either on the web page, or you need to go to the office, of course, if you're a customer. Yeah, but just for you to know, there is a mobile app and it's quite convenient to use it also on mobile.